So Huawei is coming out with the Mate X6. And listen, I said this before in the video, I'll say it again. These foldable phones, it's amazing how it's like the same foldable phone on repeat, it feels like, but it obviously is different, right? This is the new phone. Okay, sleek but strong. Built from inside out. Built from the inside out. You got capture colors as you see them. 3 apps at once. Stronger than ever. You also have gorgeous at a glance. And that is the whole marketing material. Which again, like I said, listen. Comes in 3 different colors. Yeah. I mean, 120 hertz display, 1440p, dimming options, HDR, vivid, 2500 peak brightness nits. It looks good. It has IPX8 water resistance, which again, I felt like there was a period of time where I feel like we were kind of moving toward the idea of making phones dust resistant, but I guess we're just not there yet. I know the Z Fold 6 has some dust resistance, but I feel like we're just not there yet, I guess. We're kind of still waiting. 5150 milliamp battery, which thank you for actually giving us a good battery in this phone. Obviously, we're not going to pick it up, but at least this kind of pushes that narrative that it needs to be above 5,000, which I think across the board, very important for all foldable phone manufacturers. Like, let's go above 5,000, okay? Let's get a good, solid battery in these devices. I know that they're making software that's optimized for these foldable cell phones and better battery life, but just let's kind of amp that a little bit up, right? So we have zoom in on beauty, before, after, yeah. And again, like I said, okay, hold up. I want to see some real fast. Right? Unfold. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to type it in then. Huawei. Give me the Huawei Mate X5. Alright, so it's Mate X5, right? Here's a better example of it. Okay. Let me go back here. Mate X6, Mate X5. How these companies keep getting away with this crap? How do these companies keep getting away with this crap? If I just gave you 100 pictures and I asked you which one is which, you're gonna tell me which one is which? This is the X5. This is the X6. 5, 6. It's like that eye test where they ask you, like the doctor asks you, like, all right, so which one looks more clearer, 1 or 2? 1 or 2? They look exactly the damn same. And again, listen, at least with the Pixel series, Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks a lot different. I mean, crazy different than the first Pixel series. Same thing with the Z Fold 6. It looks a little bit like Z Fold 5. But the good thing about Z Fold 6 is it's a boxy type look. So it's completely redesigned. You have a bigger outside display, not by much, but you do. You have a bigger inside display, not by much, but you do. Like, it's the little things, man. Just give us a little updates. Because again, you look at these two. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Yes, 1 looks exactly like 2. Hey. I've said this many times, so I'm not trying to be a hypocrite here. If it's not broke, don't fix it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.